everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you are not new, go ahead and like, and welcome back. So today we are going to be applying a patch onto a hat using the Cricut machine that I just got. So we're going to do an unboxing. Haven't even opened it yet. I did make the patch myself using my Brother SE600 Embroidery machine for the making history. So we're just going to pretty much get into this video, and I'm going to open this for the first time. I'm so super excited, and I wanted to share this experience with you all, so I hope you like it. So I'm just going to get this blade out, and I'm going to try to open it without cutting myself because I can be clumsy. Alright, so pretty much, oh, nope. I tried to lift it up sooner, but yeah, it didn't work. Oh well. And if you watched last week's video, then I already told you about the tape that's coming, so I promise we're going to talk a little bit about that tape in this video. Alright, so I pretty much got it open. So now here's the exciting part. And again, this is the Cricut Hat Press machine that we are unboxing and will be using. So far, the packaging, like, it looks really good so far. It is a little heavy. But it's very well packaged into the box that was shipped to me. So we're just going to slide it out and just take a look at the outer design and pretty much open it up to see how it works, how to install it, how to hook it up. We're going to see. All right. So, like I said, it's a nice box. I do believe I've seen this in Walmart before. So I do think you can get it from Walmart. And again, we're going to be applying patches to it. Which is my main purpose for getting it. But I ordered it offline. However, I do believe they are sold in Walmart as well. And then you just have the instructions on the size and the details of what comes with it, as well as the app that you will need to download to initially set it up. And all of that is on the box. So now we're going to get the box open once I find the opening. And if you know, you know. I got to have my scissors. So I'm just going to open it up and see what it looks like. This is my first time seeing it in person. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to turn around so we all can see it together. All right. Now I don't probably have the best angles here, but hey, we making it work. Make you do what you do. Alright. So that's something that fell out, so we're going to open that later on to see what is in there. But right now, here is the base that comes with it. That is to protect your surface from getting heat damage or burnt or anything of that nature. And here is the hat press itself. I got the light blue, which I don't even know if that's the only color coming, but this is the color I have, and it is a little bit smaller than what I expected. However, I love it, and that thick cord, and just snug it in like so. And like I said, it protects your surface, your area, and your skin as well from possibly getting burnt. And this that tape I was telling y'all about, that good tape, y'all. And that was just exciting, because if you're doing sublimation, then you know you need that heat tape. Not even that, vinyl as well. So we're gonna open up this. So this is just manual. So that's basically all that is. And that was nice stuff to give us all the instructions so we can get started on how to hook it up. But be honest with you, don't really read instructions like that. I usually just jump into it. However, it is there if you need it, even with the let's get started. So that was nice to see. See, it was also a sample in there for a vinyl. It's a vinyl star that they brought with it. However, we're going to be applying the patch, but I am going to put that to the side for later, in case I do use it, or just because. So that's pretty nice and neat. All right. So I pretty much thought that was it, but I was like, oh snap, hold up, I gotta show y'all this part. So I thought it was pretty much it, but I was like, this box is still heavy. So I went and there's a flap right here. So when you pull the flap open, there's this foam. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a name for it. However, I'm calling it the hat foam ball majiggy display thingy. Yeah, that was sitting in there, and it is heavy. Like, it feels like weights. You can lift weights with it. However, that was in there, so that explained it. So I'm just going to get this open now. I'm just going to get the plastic off of it, so we can get into the actual fun part, and that is applying the patch, the custom embroidered patch, onto a hat. So we're just going to get it open so we can get that started. But everything, as far as the packaging, it was well packaged. I like it. I'm happy with my purchase, with my order. And if you are interested in one, like I said, I believe Walmart sells them. I believe you also can get it from off of Amazon. You can get it off of Cricut website itself. So there's different places you can get it from if you would like to order you one. And this is for hats. So this is where you would use, and you put the hat over it. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to actually show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so this is the app. So because I am recording using my phone, I actually had to use my tablet. But this is the app that you would download, and again, the instructions are on the side of the box. But it is called the Hat Press app. Is what it's called, I believe, if I said that right. And it connects by Bluetooth to the machine itself. So that was very easy to set up. You put a username in there, which could be an email, and then you set up a password, and that's pretty much it. From there, you have your account, you verify your email. So it's very easy to set up. So I'm just going and I'm just reading through, putting in all my information, accepting the terms and agreements. And then I'm looking around just to make sure I'm not missing anything. But like I said, the setup part was really, really easy. Right. So then it's just asking questions. I'm just showing you that I'm putting in that information. Right. And then it wants to know what type of hat you're using. So these are some hats that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. You can get some from Dollar General, wherever hats are sold. So these are the ones I was making with embroidery. I didn't really like the struggle or the toggle with trying to embroider onto the hat. So that's why I decided to invest into the Cricut Hat Press. And this I got from, I believe, Dollar General. So you can get whatever hat you like, long as it's a hat. It doesn't even matter the fabric, because we are taking some precautions to make sure that we do not burn the hat. So whatever one you prefer, as long as it's not I don't think I would do a beanie on this. Now that's one thing I don't think I would use this for. However, never know. So this shows you exactly how to put the hat onto it. Excuse me, I done hit the wrong button. Going back. All right, so this shows you exactly how to put your hat on it, and then it shows you your temperature settings. So it gives you all the instructions right there on the app itself, which is pretty cool. And then it'll give you the option to start. And when you hit start, it turns green. So it goes from that orange to green to let you know that it is ready. So it's heating up. So now I'm just going to go, and just like it was showing me, I'm going to put the hat onto the foam, or whatever you want to call it, the hat holder. I'm going to look for the name of it, because I'm pretty sure it's a name for it, and I want to have the right name. If y'all know a name for it, put it in the comments, because y'all might find it faster than I am. Alright, so I'm just putting it up there nice and snug. I want to make sure it's tight, because I do want to make sure it does not shift or move while I am applying my patch, because I do want my patch to be as easy as possible. Although this is just for video purposes and for myself, I do want it to be as neat and straight as possible. So I want to do it the right way the first time. So I'm just putting it up there, and then I am going to line up. So my eyesight is a little bit horrible. And as you can, I don't know if you can see, but I'm not wearing my glasses, so I am literally just winging it, trying my best to center the patch. And I'm using the tape that came with the machine, which is a thicker tape than I usually use. So I really enjoyed that part, or that being added to it. And I was a little nervous to touch the hat, to mess with the hat, because I didn't want to mess it up. I don't know, that's how I am when I'm with new things. I barely want to touch it. Even with a new phone, I don't even want to take the plastic off like for the first few months. That's just who I am. So I'm just trying to get myself together here so I can actually apply the tape onto the hat, and then I'm gonna cut up just a couple pieces to put on each side to hold it down. And eventually here I am going to actually fold it over, which it is okay to add some pressure to fold it over, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Because before I was trying to do like the nice, I don't know, but anyway, because I didn't know if I was going to mess up the thing that the hat is sitting on. So like the hat holder display that's sitting on, however, that is very strong, nice and sturdy, which is why it's so heavy. So it is okay to push down on it. Alright, so then the instructions did say to preheat your design, or to go back and forth over it for 5 seconds. So once I get the tape up there good and strong, I am going to do just that. But I am going to, before I do that, there's another step that I am going to add. You don't have to, but it's just what I'm going to do to protect my patch, because I don't want to possibly burn it or mess anything up. So, right, so I got it up there, and it even sits up really straight on its own, so I like that as well. Right, so now what I'm going to do is get some butcher paper. That is the step that I'm going to take, like I said, to protect my patch. So I'm just going to rip a little piece off to put over it, and then I'm going to take the heat press, and I'm going to press there's like a triangle button for play. I'm not play, well, it looks like the play button, but it's the start button. And I'm rub it for 5 seconds. You're just going to randomly rub it around for 5 seconds before applying firm pressure, because the app also tells you how much pressure to apply. So that is what I'm just doing right now. And then I'm going to go in and apply my pressure. And I'm just moving around because this is an iron-on patch that I made on myself. So I believe you can go and watch the video on that. I believe I have it posted already. If not, I will have it posted. But if I'm not mistaken, there is a video posted of me doing the iron-on and how to do it, and the materials that you will need to do that. So now I'm just making sure it's up there good. Make sure don't move. Making sure that the iron-on adhesive is bonded to the hat, because it's permanent. So just make sure everything is up there like it's supposed to be. I mean, and this was a pretty quick and easy project to do. It's just, with the recording and opening it, because that was my first time opening it, and trying to get everything set up. It took a little time. However, this is a fast and easy project once you get the hang of it and you know exactly what you're doing. And it's pretty fun too. So it's a great hobby. There's something fun to do even in spare time. All right, and this is how it turned out. And I am completely 100% loving it. I am definitely going to rock this and wear it for myself. It is still a little warm. However, it's given Black History Month. So, and this is just a hat that I picked up that I had for some time. So I am going to try it on camera. So y'all excuse me while I try to model a little bit. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you like it. And I'll see y'all in my next video, which will be my birthday, y'all. Peace.